can't tell you how much I appreciate what your side, everything that you put into this, because I can sit here and I can give everyone test results. I can explain till I'm blue in the face of what's wrong with you. And I can give you the protocols, I can give you the guidance, but it is your part to wake up in the morning and take what you need to take and do what you need to do and eat what you need to eat and change what you need to change. I can't force that part. I can encourage it, but I can't force it. And so you have been the absolute perfect example of doing the work, doing the due diligence, having the consistency, putting yourself first. And you can see with that attitude, you get the results. Your body really does want to heal when you give it what it needs. And you are the prime example of that. And I'm just so freaking proud of you.
Well, thank you.